Hello and welcome to Udemy Clone Part 5. I am Kamran Vadani, and in this video we will continue where we have left off. But before continuing, I would like to request, if you have not liked the Watch Me Code Facebook page, then please hit like, and if you have not subscribed to Watch Me Code YouTube channel, then please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates. Let's go back to React app where we have left off, and yesterday we have designed this beautiful UI of our course preview. And now we need to add the quick chat block and now watching block. So let's go back to our app.css and course, and right below our player, here we are. Let's quickly add div class name. Let's call it extras block rel, and we need to add a flex as well, and let's add a div for our chat block, and we need this now watching block as well. Now watching, and just call it chat instead of chat block. Let's save it and go to app, and as we have an extra block, give it extra block, and let's add a chat and now watching. Perfect. Now we need to add a quick chat, so we'll go back to course and we need a section. Here we are. Let's copy and paste inside chat and give it a label of quick, and here is the chat. And let's quickly add messages, and for messages we need to add let's quickly add ul class name, or maybe let's add directly bubble rel, and for chat let's add h2 class name of text with a font size of S15 and C33. I am a newbie, and then we need love this course, and let's add bubble mine and bubble mine, and quickly add a message that is hey, and when we do introduction, thanks, intro tags, and let's save it. I guess we should add love this course and save. And for now watching thing, we should just copy the tutor block and paste inside the watching. Create Montgomery and at crack dome, and let's copy place image, and the source should be guest-1, and let's quickly copy you and quickly duplicate it and just add a guest to Lila Jefferson. Lila earns. Great. Now let's add these blogs CSS. Go to chat and messages, and we have a bubble, and inside bubble we have text, and we have bubble dash mine. And for now watch we have a u block, and it is actually now watching, not now watching dot u, and we have pick, and we have pick image, and we have meta. Inside meta we have name, and we have uname. Let's save it, and if we can quickly reload, here we are. Great. Now let's inspect, and I guess I have missed a section block. Let's quickly copy, and inside now watching let's add that, and let's add a div right here. Perfect. Now we need to replace it with now watching. Let's save it. Here we are. Great. Now let's inspect one more time, and for bubble we should select text and give it a background of background EEE, and line height should be 1, and give it a padding of 10 pixels. And for messages we should use flex direction column, so that we have a nice column, and give it flex of 1. And for extra block I guess we should use flex on chat 1. Yeah, great. And for bubble messages, just remove the flex, and we need to use justify content, or maybe text line to left, justify content, flex start. And for bubble let's use align self, flex start, and use a margin of 10 pixels and 0 pixels. Maybe yeah, this is good. Let's quickly copy the bubble CSS and paste inside the bubble. And after that we need to add the messages. Just copy and paste inside the messages. And for title, keep it, and chat should be flex1. And great, now we need to change a bubble text one more time, and let's add a background of CCC, line height 1, padding should be 10 or maybe 14 is good. Let's quickly copy and give it a border radius of 10 pixels or maybe 20, and from top 20 right 20, bottom left 20, and bottom right 20, and bottom left should be 3 is good. Now we need to change the background color. Quickly copy and paste inside the text. Save. And now we need to change the messages padding vertical to something like 30 pixels is good. And it is 30 and 0 pixels. Perfect. Now we need to change the bubble mine, and for bubble mine we should use text align right, and for text we should use bubble mine text. Good. Save. And we need to change align self to flex right, or what should we use? Let's use messages bubble, and for bubble let's use width 100%, and for text let's use display inline block. That is good. And for inline block we have to create IBL for display inline block, and quickly give it to our bubble text. Just add IBL and IBL. Let's save it. Salam, got it. IBL. Let's save it. Perfect. I guess we should change if we have props S15. Yes, great. Now we need to change the bubble width to 100%, and for bubble mine text bubble mine, and the bubble mine text should be align self flex, or maybe we should use text align right. And let's go back and quickly add dash mine, and for text align right. Let's save it. And for bubble I forgot to just update the width 100%. Let's save it. Great. Now we need to inspect and just give it a border radius. We need to reverse it, and for top right 3 pixels and 20 pixels. This way we have just flipped it important, and it is border radius. Perfect. And now we need to change the background color to something like 2727, and color should be white. Great. Now let's copy and paste inside the bubble min text. Let's save it. And for messages, we should be using chat. Margin right should be something like 50 is good. Copy and paste inside the chat. Let's save it. Now we need to add a now watching flex one, so that we should divide the area 50-50. Go to now watching flex one and let's save it. And now quickly give width 100%, height 100%, and border radius should be 100%. Copy and paste inside the pic and image. Let's save it and go back to pic and give it a width of 40, and 40 pixels is good. Margin right should be 10 pixels or maybe 12, and a background of DDD will be good. Quickly copy it and paste inside the pic. And for you, let's add margin bottom to 30 pixels. Margin bottom 30 pixels. And for you, I guess we should for now just add first child. And for first child, let's quickly inspect and select the first U. And if we have first child, well, leave it for now and go back to course, and inside the title let's add a div class name uList. Give it a rel and wrap it with this udivs and quickly format it by adding a tab. And for uList, let's add watching uList and save it. And now we have uList, and give it a margin top to 25 is good. Margin top 25 pixels. Great. Now we have our now watching and quick chat. Let's just duplicate it a couple of times and just use 4 and 3 for now. So we should have different blocks. And for pic, I guess we should just change the border radius to 100%. Let's save it. Perfect. And now we have our chat and we have now watching. And let's go back, and now we have our player and we have our quick chat now watching. And let's add this little block that is 86 watching now. Go back to course and add div class name. Let's give it class of tooltip absolute, and we have 86. Let's use live now, and S13 font B CFF. Go back to app, and inside now watching, let's add tooltip. And if we really now watching tooltip absolute So let's inspect, and we have the tooltip. Give it a background of blue and just pick it from our theme color and give it top 0 pixels, right, 0 pixels. And instead of top, I guess we should use 100 or maybe 60, and padding should be border radius to 10. And for top, let's move it to 50 pixels. Yes, 50 is good. Now quickly copy it and paste inside the tooltip. Let's save it. And now we have our tooltip right here. We will add the icon later, and for now we are good to go. And this is it for this video, and in next video we will continue to our next section, that is sign up, and we will connect it to our backend. So before leaving, if you have not liked the Watch Me Code page, please like it, and if you have not subscribed to Watch Me Code YouTube channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. See you in next video. Bye.